In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change a game's video resolution on your Steam Deck. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by making sure the game is completely closed. The setting will not apply properly if the game is running. And then from here, go ahead and press the Steam button on your Steam Deck and go down to your library. Go ahead and open that up, and once you're in your library, go ahead and scroll up and choose installed to see all of your installed games, or what you can do is just know whatever game you want to change and find it from your alt game section. But in this case, let's go ahead and say I want to change Call of Duty Black Ops 3, right? What I'm going to want to do is press the options button, which is that 3 lines button. And then from here, go ahead and scroll all the way down on that game after it's highlighted and then select properties. And from here, it's going to take you to the specific properties of your game. Go ahead and stay in the general tab right here and go ahead and scroll over and you should see a game resolution option here. Select this. Now keep in mind not every game will support changing resolution, but you'll see different options for like 720p, 1080p, 1440p, which is 2K, and then 4K if supported as well. Simply select the resolution that you want to use and then back out, launch the game like normally, and it'll start using the resolution you selected. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would just help us out, let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.